So let's get into the Doge price. Right now we're trading around about 31.4 cents here in Asia. Keep in mind that it's currently the weekend over here, and then it's Friday night in the U.S. and other places. So you're going to start to see volumes coming down a lot. You know, one thing that kind of scared me a little bit is we can see that if you guys look here, you can see that we dropped below my support level of 32 cents, which has now become resistance. So our next major support level is around about 21 cents. I don't think we're going to go down that far. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm trying to make this as big as possible for you guys. Let's see. Let me see here. Okay. So hopefully you guys can see this chart here. So we dropped below 32 cents, which is our support below, right guys? So we're now trading here. So what I want to tell you guys is, you know, the narrative hasn't changed for Dogecoin. You can see right now, this is the 1 month change. You can see that Bitcoin is down 33%, Ethereum is down 5%, BNB is down 39%, ADA is up, XRP is up 33%, Doge is all up. Guys, you can still see that Doge is still outperforming Bitcoin, is still outperforming Ethereum. We don't talk about USDT, right guys? It's outperforming BNB. ADA is killing it. It's outperforming XRP. It's outperforming DOT. It's outperforming Uni. It's outperforming, Doge is outperforming Bitcoin Cash. Doge is outperforming LTC. Doge is outperforming Link. Doge is outperforming XLM. Matic is killing it. I released a video yesterday on Matic, and you know, it's something that you want to think about, because Matic is really going places, guys. It's a layer 2. It's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Reduces the gas fees. And then yesterday I talked about the REN bridge. The REN bridge yesterday. It's releasing a bridge between the Polygon network. So that will allow you to buy and trade and transfer your Doge using the Polygon network. So it's really good. So watch that video that I released yesterday when I talk about that. So if you look at it, you guys should not be crying. You should not be complaining, because you see Doge is still up 6%. It's outperforming all the other coins. Okay, guys. So let's put things in perspective. Sometimes you need to zoom out and take a look at where things are. Okay. So let's take a look at the prices over the last 7 days. Okay. So if you look at the last 7 days, okay, Doge is down 9%. Okay. So it's about, you know, I'm looking at that and I'm not panicking. Okay. Because if you look at where we are in the last 1 month, don't worry, guys. If you look at where we are for the past 3 months, let's look at Doge over the last 3 months. Doge in the last 3 months is up 532%, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So you need to understand that in the crypto space, it's very normal when you have a coin that pumps so high, 532% in 3 months. It's very normal to have corrections. Okay, guys, it's very normal to have corrections, consolidations, and that's what we're seeing now. And if we look at the 24-hour charts right now, you can see that Bitcoin is down almost 5%, Ethereum is down 7.8%, BNB is down 6%, ADA is down 7%, XRP. So if you look at how much we're down compared to yesterday, 5.29%, compared to Bitcoin, which is now 5%, you have to understand that Dogecoin is moving down, not because Dogecoin fundamentals have changed, ladies and gentlemen. To all the weak Nancy's out there, The fundamentals have not changed. The narrative has not changed. The reason Doge is down 5% compared to yesterday is because Bitcoin is down. And you guys need to understand one thing. When Bitcoin goes down, all the altcoins go down as well. Some go down more, some go down less. Okay? So you guys just need to stop panicking, stop crying in your pillows, and understand that this is the crypto markets and this is the crypto space, and this kind of stuff happens. Okay? So that's what I really want to talk to you about, is that this is normal. And I also talk about that often on Monday to Fridays. I'm talking Monday to Friday Asia time, okay? So you need to, like New York is 12 hours behind Bangkok time. So you need to understand Monday to Fridays Asia time, markets pump, okay? And then Saturday and Sundays, market tends to dump. Now also, you guys also have to understand, it is now May 29th here, okay? So let me just pop up my calendar, okay? So hopefully you guys can see this. This is May 29th, okay? 30 is Sunday. 31st is Monday. What happens on the 31st? Well, all of the options, the Ethereum options, the Bitcoin options, all of these options, they expire here. And often when these options expire, you get, and remember, the options markets don't trade on Saturday and Sundays. So what happens is the last price on Friday and the opening price on Monday for option traders creates a gap, and that's called the CME gap, okay? Chicago Mercantile Exchange gap. And often what happens is you'll see that gap will be present, and they will often you'll have like a spike, like a mini little crash until that gap is filled. So at the end of the month, you can expect, like a mini retracement, okay? All right. So you guys don't need to panic. Trust me, June is going to be the month for Dogecoin, okay? Let me get a little bit of coffee here, a little caffeine. Okay, good. So hopefully you guys understand what's going on. That, one of the main reasons that Dogecoin is down right now 5% has nothing to do with the fundamentals of Doge, okay? It has to do with the fact that, one, Bitcoin is down 5%. So you can see all the coins are going down in line with Bitcoin. Some more, some are less, but if you take the average, it's about the same. If we take a look at the total market cap, which is 1.5 trillion right now, you can see that it is down 6.1%. So that's the average, okay? That's the universal average of all the altcoins is down 6.1%. So if you take that average and apply it to across the board, you can still see that Dogecoin is not down as much as the average. So Dogecoin is still performing about 1% better than the average of all the altcoins, okay? So you guys need to understand that, okay? So you guys get that. If you get it, smash the like. Okay, guys, so I got 134 people in the house. Woof, 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 Dogecoin to the moon. But I only got 40 people smashing the like. So 138 minus 40, okay, that gives me around about 98 people haven't smashed the like. So I need you to gently take your mouse or your finger, if you're using your phone or a tablet, and smash the like, okay? So I'm not going to say another word until I see the likes going up, okay? So now we got 69 likes. Once we hit 100, I'm going to continue. We got some really big news to talk about, some really interesting stuff that we need to cover. And then once we finish, all the stuff we're going to cover, then I'm going to get into Q&A, okay? And during Q&A, I'm looking for some super chats from you guys, okay? So I got 75 people smashing the like, so 139 people in the house. I still need another 20 people to smash the like, and then we're going to get into some really big news. Okay, some really bullish news, some really positive news. Dogecoin to the moon. Okay, so I got 83 likes. I need 17 more likes, guys. Smash the likes, and then we're going to get into some big news. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Okay. You like it when I sing, guys? You like to sing? You like the voice? Woof woof. Hey, Chef SMA. All right. Kylie, Dean, yeah, in the house. Edward Morgan, in the house. Hi, in the house. Yancy, in the house. Welcome to the live stream. Ritza, welcome. Aviation Chris, woohoo! You know, yeah, I heard about the Dubai coin. It was a big scam. It's a big stay away from that. Dynamic Army, woohoo, in the house. Okay, guys, I need 9 more likes, and then we're going to get into some really big news. Okay, okay. Remember, we need the likes so the YouTube algorithm will send out this live stream. We get the message out there. We need to get the message. We need to get the message out there. Hey Joel, how are you doing, brother? David, in the house. Hemrock, in the house. If you love this channel, smash like. Okay, we just got 100. I love it. We got 3 people who don't like the channel. Hey, for the 3 people who don't like the channel, I love you too. I love all of you. We got 99 people. Smash the like. I need 1 more like, and then I'm going to get in some really good news. Okay, 1 more like. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's get into the news. So we have this really big news. U.S. convenience store sets to accept cryptocurrency. So this is some really big news, guys. So American chain of convenience stores and coffee shops announced on Thursday that the firm will be accepting digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin to the moon. So once again, as we get more and more utility for Doge, more retailers accepting Doge, it means that more utility means more adaptability. We got the big Coinbase listing, and when the Coinbase lists, it means that more Joe Public are going to be able to buy Dogecoin. So what does that mean, guys? More people can buy Dogecoin. You can buy more stuff with it. You can buy a coffee with it. Because seriously, who's going to go and buy a coffee and pay with Bitcoin? Nobody's going to want to do that. But because the transaction fees are heavy. You know, look at Ethereum. The transaction fees on Ethereum right now are to the moon. They're just crazy. So nobody's going to want to use Ethereum or Bitcoin to buy coffees at convenience stores. But the diamond in the rough is Dogecoin, because Dogecoin transaction fees are cheap and they're fast. Okay? So what's going to happen is if I'm holding Bitcoin and I'm going to okay, well, I want to buy stuff now, but I don't want to use Bitcoin or Ethereum because the gas fees and the fees are too heavy. So I'm going to buy a stash of Dogecoin on Coinbase, keep it in a little wallet, keep it in my mobile phone. So then when I go to convenience stores or retailers, I can use my Dogecoin to buy stuff. So this is really good, guys. So this is just one example of more utility for Dogecoin. And trust me, you know, once the Coinbase listing happens, what do you think is going to happen to the price? It's going to skyrocket, okay? Because there's something called the Coinbase effect, and if you don't believe me, let's search it for Coinbase effect. Okay, let's look at the Coinbase effect. Okay, Coinbase listing effect. Okay, so here's the Coinbase effect. Okay, a report released last month by the crypto research firm shows that typically when coins get listed on Coinbase, they tend to increase by 91%. Okay, this is a fact. So Coinbase effect means average 91% token price gain in 5 days. Okay, so when when Doge gets listed on Coinbase, we're going to see a 95% increase, right? Okay. So what does that mean? If we take the existing price now and we increase it, where does that put us? It puts us a lot better than where we are. It puts us around about 60, 61, 62 cents, right? Right, guys? Something around there. So even if nothing happens, if the Coinbase effect happens, we're going to see a pump, guys. Okay, so you guys just need to not to panic. We got 201 people in the house. Great. Smash the like, guys. Smash it. All right. So what should you be doing right now with Dogecoin? What you should be doing now is buying the dip. Okay, keep buying the dip, because once May finishes and we have the CME gap closes and the futures expire at the end of May for Bitcoin, you're going to see Bitcoin. You're going to see Bitcoin go up. That's it. Okay, so it's going up, and when Bitcoin goes up, you're going to see Doge go up. All right, so that's what I've got to say about that. All right. Now, we recently had this article that came out. A mysterious Dogecoin wallet owns 15 billion of the cryptocurrency, added another 420.69. Okay? So, who do you think this wallet belongs to? Well, let's take a look and search what 4269 represents on the internet. Okay? Let's take a look. Okay, what does 4269 mean, guys? Okay, let's go 4269 and let's type in the word Tesla. Okay. Elon Musk, lover of dumb jokes, says he's slashing Tesla Model to 69,429. Okay, so as we can see, this is Elon Musk. Absolutely, this wallet belongs to Elon Musk. Okay, so Mr. Dogecoin wallet owns 15 billion of the Bitcoins, add another 420.69 coins. So in my opinion, Elon Musk is sending us a message. Okay, all right, and Ritza also said it also equals weed day and 69 the position. Yeah, this is Elon Musk. He likes to make jokes, right? So absolutely, this is Elon Musk's wallet. Okay, so let's take a look at this wallet here. Ding, 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 ding. Let's take a look at this wallet and let's see. Let's take a look at this wallet. Let's see here. Okay, let's take a look at this wallet. Let's see. Take a look at it. So this is this wallet here. This is Elon Musk's wallet, guys, right here. Okay? All right? This is Elon Musk's wallet right here. Okay? And you see 4.2069. Okay, that's like $1.25. Now you can see here that we just had this 50.29. Let's see what that said. Let's see what this means. 50.29. Okay, nothing right there. But what you want to do is, guys, you want to keep an eye on this wallet. And if you guys want to know how to track this wallet, okay, you go to bitinfocharts.com, okay, addresses, Dogecoin addresses. So if you guys are wondering, how to access this, then you just go to this address, okay, guys. All right, and then the Dogecoin address is right here, okay. All right. Later, I'll leave this in a link for you guys, okay, on the descriptions after the live stream. So I'll leave all of this stuff for you guys in the description after the live stream, okay. So that way you you easily have access to it, okay? Because you know what it really irritates me is a lot of YouTubers, they show some really great information, but they never leave you the links to anything, right? It's irritating, right, guys? So I'll leave the links to all that I'm showing you in the description after the live stream, so you can check back and do all of that. All right, so how many people believe this is Elon Musk's Dogecoin wallet? I believe it. A lot of people believe it. If you believe it, send a smiley face right now, guys. If you believe this is Elon Musk's wallet, send a smiley face, okay? Send a smiley face in the comments right now, okay? I'm not seeing any smile. Send a smiley, guy. Send a smiley face in the comments right now, okay? All right? Yeah, Raymond, Carlos, Adam, yeah, Jeffrey, Cisco, Kathleen, yeah. Matthew, yeah. So Iris, yeah. Okay, so we all believe it's Elon Musk wallet. I believe it's going to happen, okay? All right? And then once June happens and Elon Musk starts tweeting out that Doge is going to accept, that Tesla's going to accept Doge for buying a Tesla, this thing is going to blow up, man. It's just going to go to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Guys, it's going to explode. I got to get some coffee. You know, I got my Starbucks. So it's going to go to the moon, guys. So I really believe it's going to go to the moon. All right. So now we also have this article that came out. Whales tired of Dogecoin. Daily transaction value down 90% under a month. So what this really means is that, you know, the whales have bought in and out. So according to BitInfo charts data, Dogecoin average transaction value fell sharply by nearly 80% from a high of 1.6 million on Sunday to under 240,000 3 days later, okay? And this article is like from Friday, okay? So this is a new article. Such a high average transaction value was a clear sign that a large chunk of activity on the network was overtaken by whales. Furthermore, BitInfo charts data also shows that the value of Dogecoin sent via on-chain transactions peaked at 82 billion on May 5th, significantly higher than Bitcoin. Okay, this growth of nearly 350,000% compared to total daily average transaction values of 10 million reported in December. So what this means is that whales have already accumulated. They bought all of their Bitcoins. Now they're hodling their Bitcoins and they're waiting for the next sky high pump. Okay, that's what it means. All right. So whales tired of Dogecoin doesn't mean that they're tired and selling. Okay. Remember, this title is a little bit of clickbait. Okay. So, all right. Yeah, transaction values are down because they stopped buying. All right, guys. Okay. So that's basically it for the news. These are some of the latest transactions for Dogecoin. Over 5 million. We've had all of these. Sender from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. And you can see that, let's see if this is this, okay, so DH5, okay, DH57L. Let's see if any of these are, in fact, Elon Musk's transactions. Okay, all right, DH5, okay, DH5. Let's see if we got any DH5. You see any DH5? No. Let's reduce this down to 1 million. Transactions, save. Okay, let's see. Confirm, I'm not a robot. I don't think I'm a robot. Maybe I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. Okay, so let's look at these transactions here. Let me refresh this. Okay, let's look at minimum transaction value is $1 million. Okay, let's take a look. So let's see if we have a DH5. Any DH5s here? Next. So I don't see any activity from Elon Musk wallet, so that's a good sign. But what we do see is we see that a lot of movement. You know, somebody's selling I'm moving from A to B, A to B, A to B. Okay. All right. So let's look at the detail here. Some of these transactions. So transaction value, Dogecoin, it moved out from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. Okay, let's explore this wallet. Let's see how much they have in here. It's balance 0. Okay, so this was obviously sold on an exchange. So we're also seeing that, you know, some people are actually selling, taking some profits to an exchange and then buying new stuff. Okay, so you guys don't need to panic. Everything is cool. All right, so that's all I have for the news. So let's get into some super chats right now. If anyone has any questions. Also, guys, if you see the charting tool I'm using here, in fact, this is the Aurochs terminal. It's 100% free. You guys may want to may want to check it out. I'll give you guys a link to that, so you can check out that link right now. And hold on, I'll give you the link to the Aurochs terminal right now, and then you can check it out. Okay. All right, Aurochs terminal right here. Okay, so here's a link to the Aurochs terminal. It's 100% free. You guys are gonna love it. I love it. You know, you've got news. It gives you news and stuff. You see news. You can also clear the filter and you can search for stuff. So it gives you all the news. You can do analysis feed. Talks about different analysis. So Dogecoin analysis here. You can also you can get some really good information here. So check it out. It's free, 100% free. You guys will love it. I love it. So it's free. We all love free stuff, right? Okay. So another thing I want to share with you before we get into Q&A is, let me just pull that up for you. Another thing I want to share with you is right here. You'll love it. I love it. Now, if you want to buy some daily crypto merchandise, okay, this like t-shirts, hats, cups, go over to my merchandise shop, check it out, pick up a t-shirt, pick up a bag. Now, all the proceeds from the merchandise we will be giving to orphans in Vietnam. So most of the proceeds from the merchandise that's sold, we're going to give that to charity. Okay, guys? So just to let you know. All right? Just to let you know. So I'm not shilling nothing. I'm not trying to get you to buy something. Blah blah blah. I'm not one of these YouTubers that said, "Oh, click out my Bybit account and blah 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 blah." I don't need that. But the merchandise, anything I sell on the merchandise, we're going to be giving it to orphans here in Vietnam. So that we're going to do. Okay. So yeah. All right. So let's get into the Q&A right now. So let's start the Q&A. Any questions? Okay, Dylan, what do you think the Doge will go? Say, when do you think Doge will go over $1? Okay, so I'm expecting Doge to hit $1. I'm pretty confident. I'm pretty confident and pretty bullish that we can see Doge getting into the dollar range. I think by middle to end of June. I would put a target date around June 28th would be my target date for us to get to $1. Okay, so I think what we're going to be seeing, and I talked about the Elliott waves. We had, Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4, and then we're definitely going to be bouncing up. So I think we're going to see this. And then I think we're going to start seeing this kind of movement in the next short term. That's what I think is going to happen. Okay, all right, that's what I think. Okay, any more questions, Kevin Lee? But that's fine. Okay, we're still 2 weeks to wait. So you guys just need to be patient. Lexi, nice being of you. Okay, Iris says July. Yeah, maybe ours. Any super chats out there, guys? Please support the channel. Remember, all the proceeds from super chat, we'll be giving some of that to charity. Okay, so if you want to support the charity, please give us a super chat. Okay, Rowan Ember, Dodge to the moon. Rowan from South Africa. Hey, Rowan. Shout out to everyone in South Africa. I've been to South Africa. I've been to Cape Town, Durban, and Johannesburg. Beautiful country. Beautiful people, and absolutely, if anyone has chance, once this COVID is over, go to Cape Town, the Table Mountains there. It's absolutely just breathtaking. You got to go there. All right. Let's see. Jason Short, Marathon Gang. Let's see. Jason Gibson. Are you familiar with QFS, Quantum Financial System? No, I'm not, James. No, I am not. Tarzan A. I also want to say, do not underestimate the nasty, awesome power Elon Musk and Doge in June 2000. Doge is going to rock. Yeah, I totally agree. I think that in June, Dogecoin is absolutely going to rock. You know, Elon is being quiet right now for a reason, because if he keeps tweeting every day about Doge, Doge, people are going to get tired of it. People are going to get bored of it, and it's not going to have as much impact, right, guys? So that's why I think that Elon is being quiet, and then we're going to see some amazing news coming out soon in June. So you guys just need to be patient, hold the line, don't panic. Okay, guys? All right. John from Sri Lanka, excellent. Kevin Lee, just follow Elon. Any super chats in the house? Any more questions from anyone? Important questions? Let's see how we're trending here. Last hour, Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, BNB is up, ADA is up, XRP is up, and look, guys, Dogecoin to the moon is up. So you can see there's definitely a linkage right now between BTC and Dogecoin. I mean, everybody doesn't like it, everybody hates it, but that's the facts. But the fundamental narrative of Dogecoin has not changed, guys. Okay, so the reason we're seeing volatility in Dogecoin is only about one thing. When we have volatility in Bitcoin, you're going to have volatility in Dogecoin. Remember, guys, we're in the number 7 spot. No joke, guys. No joke whatsoever. We're in the number 7 spot. Okay. So we didn't get there by being a joke, all right? So you just need to know that the whole market is pegged with Bitcoin, all right? It's just the way it is. So, you know, BTC has the biggest market share, right? So when BTC moves, you get inflows and outflows of liquidity and capital, and basically all the coins are tied to that and make measured moves. That's all. Okay. All right, guys, if there's no super chats or any big questions out there, I'm going to end the live stream in about 2 more minutes. So if anyone has any burning questions that you want to ask, please ask away right now, guys. So if no one has a super chat, then I'm going to end the live stream. And all I can say is that you guys, in closing, you need to watch the volatility of Bitcoin. I mean, and Dogecoin is going to be closely pegged. Look, Bitcoin at 0.5%, 0.55. Dogecoin is at 0.56. So you see that there's definitely a linkage here. All right, guys, so I'm going to end this live stream. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Be well. Be blessed. And there'll be a video coming out at 12 noon. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff at 12 noon Bangkok time. So keep an eye out for that video. Thanks, Kevin Lee. To the moon. We're going to get there. All right, guys. So this is Daryl from daily crypto trade signals. And I just want to say, I love you guys. Love you guys to death. You're my army. We're going to get there. Doge to the moon. Dogecoin definitely is going to see $1 incoming in June. I love it. You love it. Let's get Dogecoin to the moon.